Hey, stop. What is going on? I need this on my face right now. Okay, first I'm gonna do like a base. They don't wear a lot of foundation, but I have some breakouts, so we're gonna have to mix it up. Mix it up and make it work. I'm using this foundation and mixing it with this. Make it more light. Looking a little better, but still not good. This little friend, he needs more help. By the way, if you want to do something to support Ukraine, I put a reliable site to donate in my highlights. So please check it out because that's the least we can do. As much as I can see, she had these, like she had pearls. Am I crazy or were those pearls? Even if they weren't, I only have pearls here, so we're gonna use pearls. And since I'm traveling, we only have this pencil. This is all we have. I don't have a liner. All I can see, she's got some gentle colors on her eye. I'm gonna use this palette. I'm gonna use this and this shade. This is the shimmer shade. Might have done too much. I didn't really expect this kind of drama to occur. Okay, now I'm gonna try to make this work. Ooh, it's happening. Like, honestly, it's looking decent. I am not complaining. I'm not gonna touch it anymore because I'm afraid if I touch it, I'm gonna mess something up. What did I say to myself? Don't touch it. What did I do? I touched it. Okay, now for the pearls. I'm gonna start here. I think it's okay. Is this making sense? I'm not sure. Is it good? Lashes are the thing that saves the look. So, by the way, if you're not curling your lashes with a curler, start today. Okay, the look is basically done. I'm gonna go do my hair and get dressed. Getting back to you with a cute transition in like 20 minutes. I'm excited! See you then!